Very chlorine tasting, doesn't taste very nice. Yeah, like some days you just don't want to drink it. Bottled water or treated water. We noticed the difference within days, and probably it was actually the absence of the bad taste is what we noticed before we realised what it was. We were a little bit impatient and kept trying the water every day, but it was probably the next day we noticed some changes, and we were taking the product samples to do our own tests with Hills Laboratories anyway, because we have a few suppliers and customers turn up, so we were force feeding them water, and we're lucky enough in this facility to have a hose tap about 20 meters before the Hydroboost, so we can compare it. And the taste of the water coming out of the hose tap compared to the water coming out of every other tap in the apartment/factory is brilliant. When you put a shower dome in a shower, you create a closed-in environment, and you can feel the chlorine in the water in your eyes as the water's coming over your face. That's not happening anymore. The installation of the Hydroboost has eliminated the fumigation that happens in the shower with the shower dome. My mother, yeah, she gets us to deliver it to her every week, or she sends someone here to pick up a container of it. Yeah, she lives in another part of Auckland, and so she sends a 5 litre container here to get filled up, and she puts it in the fridge and she drinks it. No one else is allowed to touch it. If they want water, they have to go and get their own. Brother-in-law is from Tonga, and he said when he drank it, it tastes like water from the islands. So that's got to be good, right? I think if they taste the difference, it sells itself. I would recommend the Hydroboost product, definitely.